Hi everyone, this is Krista with Art Graphics Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to upload and assemble my Summer Bash invitation card. So let's get started. If you have not already downloaded your SVG file, you can go to my Etsy shop by going to etsy.com and searching for Art Graphics Studio. Then scroll or search for the SVG you're looking for. If you are a Cricut Design Space user, you may be able to access my free designs. For more information, see my note at the end of this video. Hi everybody, this is the Summer Beach invitation card. And first thing we want to do is start a new project, and we're going to upload our components. So we'll go to Upload, Upload Image, Browse, and go wherever you have your files. Here is our SVG, and these are our PNG files. So we're going to upload the SVG file first. Continue, upload, and add it to our page. And as it comes in, we need to make sure that it's the right size. Now I'm going to lower this just a little bit so it's easier to see. Now, here is the outside of the card. Now this part right here should be 5 by 7. I'm sorry, this part right here should be 10 by 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a shape, a rectangle that is 10 inches wide by 7 inches tall. That tells us the size that we want to have. So we're going to line it up with this bottom one, and it looks like it's just about perfect. So we don't need that anymore. We're going to get rid of it. Now we can ungroup these. So we'll come over here, select them, then come over to ungroup, and the first one here we will ungroup again and select our score lines. And they will come up here to where it says basic cut and change that to score. And now they're score lines. So we're going to select the score lines and the shape, and we're going to attach them. Now we're going to do the same thing here. Again, it needs to be ungrouped. We're going to select the score line, change basic cut to score, and then attach. Now we're going to need to upload our PNG images. But I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to save it as Summer Bash Card Invitation. Save. Now let's upload our PNG files. And we'll need to upload each one of these, one at a time. So we'll click on that one, and we'll go to Open. There it is. We're going to continue, apply and continue, and we're going to choose the flat graphics. Now this one came in a little small. It needs to fit right on this front of this outside. So we're going to make that a little bigger. And we're going to leave that. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other PNG files. Upload image, browse, apply and continue, flat graphics, continue. And we're going to upload it. Now this one is a little bit different. It needs to fit right in this circle. So when we resize that, we're going to pull it over here, line it up, and we're going to make it fit just inside those. Looks like it needs to turn just a tad. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's fit inside those. So that's the size we're going to need that to be. And we'll continue to do that with these two panels as well. Now we're going to upload the two panels that go here and here. Upload, upload image, browse, go to where you had them. I have mine right here. Let's choose that one, open, continue, apply and continue, and then choose the flat graphics and upload. Now this needs to be resized. You can see it's a little too big. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Okay, now there's one last thing that we need to do. This ping does not have a score line, and it needs a score line from this point all the way to here. So let's go over to Shapes, choose our score line, move it over, and bring it all the way down to the bottom. Okay, now we want to select both score line and the image and attach them. I'm going to save it once more. Now we're ready to make it. This is the Summer Bash invitation card. This is the base, this is the outside, and these are the panels. And you can see there are score lines. Now these score lines will be a little different, so we're going to fold this to the inside. But this, so we'll fold those to the inside also. And then we're going to fold this together like this, which will make this part fold inside. All right, now here is our umbrella, and it goes right here. It also has a score line. And this will glue right here. So that when we close this, when we open this, this will open and show. So it just glues down right here. You want to make sure that you don't overlap that little corner right there. So let's put some glue on that. And we don't want it to overlap these lines here either. We're going to let that dry for just a minute, then we're going to come back and put our panels on. Now this one will go here. And this one will go here, which is the back. It has a score line down the middle. And this will go right on the front of this. After that's glued down and the panels here are glued down, then we'll glue this here. I'm going to go ahead and glue this to the front. Now you can, if you'd like to, raise this with dimensionals, but this is a pretty thick card anyway, so I think I'm just going to glue it down directly. And we're going to let that dry also. Now while that's drying, let's go ahead and put our panels in place here and here. And again, you can use dimensionals if you'd like, but I think I'm just going to glue them down directly. And now we're going to let that dry. Now, all we have to do is put this part on here. So we'll just fold that up and we'll line it up here. And we'll put our glue on this side. And you want to line it up so that this crease is right along the score line, like that. Now, let's go ahead and put our glue here. And then we will open this up and allow that to dry. All right, here we go. And our card is done. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. If you're a Cricut Design Space user, you can access some of my shared projects by opening Cricut Design Space, and on the home screen, in the search bar, type Art Graphics Studio and press Enter. Then scroll down to Community Members and click on Art Graphics Studio. There you'll find all of my shared projects.